Good morning. Day 5. 3 exercises, 25 seconds on, 10 seconds off, and 3 rounds. Exercise number 1, we're going to be using the chair here. It's going to be a lunge, hop, and drop. So we're going to be supporting ourselves on the chair, lunging backwards with one leg. Other leg stays around about the same level as the leg of the chair. We're going to drop the hips downwards, get a bit of a stretch in through the hip flexors and the extensors, so front and back of the hips. And we're going to drop down, then hop. Switch the legs over real quickly to switch sides. We're going to alternate sides. Cardio and mobility, flexibility in one. Exercise 2, lawnmower man. It's rotation, so it's flexibility in the shoulder as well as a little bit of toning in the shoulder and the back. A little bit in the torso as well. Again, leaning on the chair. Number 3 is going to be hand to ankle, lying flat on the ground, bringing one hand up to meet the ankle on the other leg. You'll see what I mean as we go. No more ado. Timer is counting, and here we go. Starting out, leg is beside the chair. We're going to hop. We drop the hips down, get the stretch. So it's lunge, hop, drop. Lunge, hop, drop. Lunge, drop, and hop. Trying to get a nice stretch through the hip, hamstrings, and into the groin. As you can see, I'm really pushing off the chair on that one. Number 2, lawnmower man, hinging forward, flat on the chair. From here, like as if you're starting a lawnmower, pull, create lots of tension through the muscles, and rotate. Come back down, staying on the same side, pull, lots of tension on the muscles, rotate through the torso. If that's too challenging, bring the foot forward, come back from here. Easier to rotate the whole body on this one. Lots of tension through the core and through the arm. Number 3, hands to ankle. Start now. Feet are flat on the ground. Leg is straight. We're bringing the hand to meet the ankle on the opposite leg. Keep that leg straight. We want to get a stretch in on the back of the leg. With the toe pulled towards yourself, you will get more of a stretch. With the toe pointed away, it's easier to bring the leg up. Round 1, done. Here we go. So lunge, hop, and drop. We're in our lunge position. Drop the hips down, hop to switch, drop, hop to switch the legs. If this leg is straight, that's great. If the knee bends, that's okay too. Work with your own range of motion. Over time and with practice, you'll get a little lower and you'll get a bit better of a stretch. So, lawnmower man again. I'm going to focus on this side. So from here, arms coming down. I'm pulling as if I'm pulling against the resistance of a lawnmower, getting that good rotation in, and coming back down. Resisting all the time. So a lot of tension in the body. If you've ever taken a big dog for a walk, you know what I mean about resisting the pull. Finishing up the rep. And if you want a bit more of a challenge, keep both legs straight. Rather than having one foot flat on the ground, changes the angle of the pelvis, which makes you do more work. You get more of a stretch. If it's too much, or if it's causing you discomfort, take this other leg up, bring the foot flat onto the floor, and straight away you can see the difference in the range of movement. That one hits the stomach, by the way, in case you didn't guess. So I lunge, drop, hop. You want to get more out of it? Push harder into the chair to get more height. Make the heart work that little bit harder. You'll be getting the chested arms and back into it as well. So last time on the lawnmower man, I'm going to stay square on. Pulling. Range of motion won't be as good this time, but you do what you can. Switch sides. Pull, rotate. Keeping the tension on. Main thing is that you're looking at where the hand is going. I'm going to finish this rep just to balance things out. And now I'm going to alternate sides here. Again, if the straight leg version causes discomfort in your back, slow it down, bring one leg into that bent knee position and go like that. You'll still be getting some of the benefit. There we go. Day 5, full week done and dusted. In the bag. Well done. Have a good weekend.